بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. So inshallah now we're moving on to أحرف الأرض. So what does الأرض mean? We discuss that inshallah. So we're in the Babu Thani. We're discussing the harf عامل and غير عامل. In the غير عامل so far we've covered the حرف العطف, the حروف الجواب, the حروف of تأكيد, the حروف of شرط. We did the حروف التوبيخ and تحديد, and the next one we're adding in here now is حروف الأرض, أحرف الأرض. So القسم السادس أحرف الأرض, the particles of أرض. What does أرض mean? طلب بلين, لان يلين, to be soft, to be moist. So when you فقولا له قولا لينا, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told Harun and Musa alayhim as-salam to speak to Fir'aun بقولا له قولا لينا, a soft, gentle. So the أرض is a طلب بلين, it's a gentle request. So again it's a request, but when you use these particles it has less it's not being very harsh or very stringent or very rough. It's much more soft and polite. Okay. وهي ثلاثة. There are three particles for this. الأول ألا. For example, ألا تقوم بالليل. ألا. Why don't you? You should. Why don't you? Why don't you stand by night? Why don't you قيام من الليل? Why don't you perform صلاة التهجد? So again, this ألا is what? حرف طلب بلين, حرف عرض. الثاني أما تصوم يوم الاثنين والخميس. Why don't you fast on Mondays and Thursdays, as is the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, or is the encouraged? الثالث لو. So again, لو, we've done this before as well. It has a meaning of a shart, but when there's no jawab, that we know here is, if you were to do this, i.e. in brackets, it would be good. So it's like an arض. لو تتصدقوا على الفقراء. Why don't you do تصدق, صدقة? You have تتصدقوا, but normally when you have two ta's at the beginning like this, you can say تصدقوا. You can drop two, because two ta's, for those who have a bit of a stutter or a lisp, you can find it's quite hard to pronounce. Even without that, two ta's is quite difficult. So normally you say لو تصدقوا, but you can say تتصدقوا as well. The Quran both are used. So in summary, we have the أحرف الأرض, the particles which are for what? Just to encourage something in a nice, polite, respectful way, without too much authority, too much firmness and harshness being shown. Okay, we have ala, ama, and law. Now here, we have a few points to note. Ala. So you say ala litta'ti, littahdid, wal-arz. That the particle ala comes for both. Hadda yahuddu, for a strong encouragement, number one. Number two is arض, which is a more polite, lenient request. So how do we know? وَتُعْرَفُ بِالسِّيَاقِ. This can be understood from the context. When you have the context, you can tell whether it's a tahdid or arض. Okay? The second masala is what? Ama is what? مُرَكَّبَةٌ مِّنْ هَمْزَةِ اسْتِفْهَامٍ وَحَرَفِ نَفْيٍ. A plus ma. So it's really so when you see in some books, someone say, some might not mention it, some do mention it, it's because it's not, you have two types of particles. One is called, the particle is basit. What does basit mean? Or basitatun, meaning what? It's one simple particle, meaning comprised of, it's just one word. And you have the murakkab, I don't say basitatun because huruf muannas, or murakkaba. So you have two types of huruf, the basita and the murakkaba. The basita is one word, ba harfun jar, or lakin, one, or inna, one. And you have murakkaba, ala, ama. So together they give one meaning, but in the asal there were two different particles. So this is murakkaba, ama. It is comprised of hamzatul istifham and harfun nafyin, and together wa majmu'uhuma, the compilation together is a harfu arض. So individually they're two different particles. When they come together, it creates a meaning of arض, talabun bilin. Is that clear? Okay. Now regarding the إعراب, we have here ألا تقوم بالليل. It's very simple. You say ألا حرف عرض مبني على السكون, and تقوم فعل مضارع مرفوع بالضمة إلى آخره. Any questions regarding this? Okay. سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت ونستغفرك ونتوب إليك.